Tired of project management feeling like herding cats? Let's tame that chaos and unleash seamless teamwork with Basecamp. In this beginner's guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to set up and navigate Basecamp, turning you into a project management pro in minutes. First, head over to Basecamp.com and sign up for a free trial. No credit card required. Once you're in, you'll land on your Basecamp dashboard. The heart of Basecamp is the project, so click the Create a New Project button. Give your project a clear, descriptive name. Think website redesign or marketing campaign. Q3. You can add a brief description to clarify the project's goals, and even choose a template to populate your project with common tools. For now, we'll start from scratch. Click Create this project. Boom! Your project is born. Now, let's explore the key sections. The campfire is your real-time chat room, perfect for quick questions and updates. The message board is for more formal announcements and discussions. To-dos are how you assign tasks. Click Add a to-do list to create a list like website content or social media posts. Then, add individual to-dos to each list, assign them to team members, and set deadlines. Keep everyone on track with the schedule. Add events, deadlines, and milestones to visually map out your project timeline. Now, let's invite your team. Click the Invite People button and enter their email addresses. They'll receive an invitation to join your Basecamp account and collaborate on your projects. And that's it. You've just mastered the basics of Basecamp. Play around with the features, explore the Docs and Files section for sharing resources, and start collaborating. Welcome to effortless project management. Don't forget to subscribe for more Basecamp tips and tricks to unlock its full potential and transform the way you work.